Man, tell the world who you is, man. Are you installing stereos? What? When we talk a lot on the phone, and I'm trying to get a feel for you, the conversation. Are you doing this for you only, or for the world?
Man, I'm doing it for me, man. Right now. If I got a partner, something that needs something, I help them out. But
okay.
Shoot, I get you one of my motivations on YouTube.
Oh, okay.
I did little cars and stuff. Stuff that I got to see on the videos and stuff, man. I said, you know what, man, I'm just trying. Mess with it a little bit, so that's all. And I'm in the garage messing around. That's all.
Okay, yeah, because I tell people, it's like a lightweight instructional video, because I'll break it down to time lapse pictures, and if you inquisitive, you'll figure it out. Right. You'll say, hey, I can do this, and I tell people I ain't above nobody else. I'm just me, and if I can do it, I know you can do it too. Right. I call it motivation.
And the thing about it, you was always you don't work. You ain't tripping on giving people help and information. That's a lot of people won't give out no secrets.
No, they be like, oh man, no, you ain't knowing that.
No, they don't want to talk to you. They busy.
Yeah, I'm busy.
So man, that's why I'm here right now hollering at you.
Okay, you was telling me that you so good with the ARC Audio people. They said come on down and run it all, huh?
Yeah, and ARC Audio's man, I got him with ARC. A lot of people ain't into him, like have different issues with him.
Yeah,
man, and ARC Audio's man.
Cause you sent me some secret sauce stuff up in the fairing that I was like, people I know other than Star, we kind of share different things, inside secret stuff, and I was like, I might use that to my world, I might not, but I like what you saw, what you sent me.
Something different. That's what I'm saying. Try to keep my people up,
So what made you do this right here? What was the motivation there?
To get better sound right there. It's more in your face. You can do them down here, and then I had them. I got some in the bags too. Yeah. But I just liked them there. I could put them there, so I put them there, and they in my, and
they're right here in your face.
At speed you can hear them, 70, 80 miles an hour in the wind. They in your face.
Oh, so you got it nice and crispy, clear in your face. He said in your face.
Yep.
Okay, so in the bags, you saw me some secret stuff. I don't know if you want to show everybody this right here, because sometimes when you show people some stuff.
Man, I'm on Instagram.
Oh, they just out there already?
Yeah, that's already on Instagram already.
Okay, so we are working with ARC Audio. What are we?
ARC Audio, those are D4 8s,
huh?
Yeah.
Oh, I see something down there. You poured it too?
Yeah, they poured it.
My partner, White Boy John, shout out to White Boy John. He be telling me about porting the box, even with the 6x9s. He was talking about putting a hole in the back over there.
Right.
Did that help as opposed to having it sealed?
But now you can't just, porting ain't just cutting a hole.
Okay, you can't put any old hole up in there.
Just put cutting. You gotta have the volume of your bag space. And you gotta have the right size port and the right size length of the port. That's what tunes the bag. It ain't just cutting a hole. It ain't just cutting a hole and put a piece of PVC pipe in.
Y'all hear that? Can't just put the PVC and cut it and walk away.
Right.
It ain't gonna be quite right.
It ain't gonna work. That's why a lot of people that do subs, they put them in. They wonder why they don't work. If the port ain't right, it ain't gonna play right. Okay. It's tuning the bag is what they do.
So I see that little bag there that you grabbed a hold of. That's some secret stuff right there. I see you got in your hand there.
Oh no, this ain't no secret. I'm just getting out the picture so you can see the.
Oh yeah, bag. But I know what that is because I got a whole roll of it myself.
Oh, yeah, that Tesla tape.
Yeah, you get out of that tape, out of that black tape game. You move to the felt tape.
Right.
It's a whole better look, and it ain't coming as loose as easy as the other stuff.
Right.
And so
now these are my practice bags, so don't knock me on my.
I ain't gonna judge you on that.
Professional.
I'm looking at that. I'm like,
but it works.
It looks like it's real nice and thick.
It is thick. It works, especially with them subs. It works.
What, you gonna give us a taste of something?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me shut you there. Oh, I see something you did different. I see you went ahead and chopped them off because obviously you can't keep the ears on there and spin that.
Yeah.
So also, America.
So you just got to use the Allen.
You got to use the Allen. That's another security measure. Yeah. If you got these bags and you got the little ears on it, if you take the ears off, but you got to keep that socket in there, your bags ain't gonna go nowhere. I'm just saying, y'all. I ain't came up with a fix to keep your bags on these of your bags, but you can do that. Yeah. $79, Harley Davidson. Alright, give me something then, man. Give me a little something. Bye-bye. To these niggas like San Fran. In a D-slap nigga like a backhand. I know you wanna fuck a rapper. Okay. You got a little bass going on up in there. I get it. You got that. Make your own money. Make a niggas. Let me ask you a question. Pause it. Once, then I know I can hit it again. T-shirt and your panties on. So, with that, does that add a lot of extra weight to you? Any difference on your handling situation with those bags? I see some hefty magnets back there. That's why I got to ask that question.
They weigh about 4.5 pounds. I had 6x9s diamonds in there. They weigh 4.25 pounds.
Oh damn!
Those weigh a quarter more than the Diamond Audio 6x9.
Okay. So you didn't really know as much of that.
No.
What we got here? Old school coming down the street. Yep. That's how you feel?
That's how you feel, Longwood? I guess that's how you feel, y'all. And so, basically, the 8s didn't weigh too much more than that.
No, they weigh more than a regular 6x9.
Okay, and they seem that
6x9 only weighs what, 2.5 pounds?
Yeah, 2.5 pounds. So
they probably twice the weight of a 6x9.
So you riding kind of heavy back there?
Yeah, but I'm riding a Harley, so that little weight ain't. Now, if I was on a sport bike, that'd be something different.
Okay, what rims you got on here?
Arlen-ness.
Arlen-ness. I'm looking at that back, that lip in the back. It's kind of big back there, man. That's 17 or 18.
18.
Okay. Nice lip.
Yeah.
Back there.
Yeah.
So you happy with this setup?
Man, that's always a work in progress.
Always work in progress.
This is gonna be changed in
about
a month.
What you gonna innovate to then?
I got another set of bags that's coming next, so I got a whole nother getting ready to go to another level.
Oh, y'all hear that? He take it to another level, y'all.
Yeah.
I'm gonna watch how to go. I ain't gonna bite into it quite yet, but you know, if I do, I'm going all in. But we're gonna wait and see how this man test pilot this.
Right.
That's all I was saying.
For sure. That's why I come in. I don't have no problem keeping you up on it. That's
okay, yeah, cause he send me pictures all the time.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, well, all good. It's fun, man.
Yeah, this is Money's Car Stereo, another episode of letting you see what I see. I see a lot of stuff, man, you know, and so I'm just letting y'all see it. Stay tuned for more. We out.